There's a reason people make or play music of any kind. It's the simplest reason in the world. It makes them feel better. This is what people who don't sing have lost sight of. The reason to sing isn't to impress yourself or anyone else. It's to return to a feeling of being completely alive and at home in yourself. That's the real secret about singing. It brings you back to yourself if you feel uneasy or if your mind is tied in knots. People probably don't believe this until they try it, and then their reaction flips from, how could that possibly be, to, how have I not known about this before? There's not a more dependable, quicker, simpler way to come back to yourself. It's all right if you don't believe me, but do yourself a favor and give it a shot. Go all in. No judging, no comparing, no holding back your voice, just you singing. I'd love to hear what happens. And if you go in the right direction, heaven can't be very far. Dream along with me. I'm on my way to a star.